You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names that are very often pronounced wrong and pronounce them correctly, stay tuned. There are more pronunciation videos. English pronunciation. Brandon. Yes, it's pretty much always Brandon. Do you pronounce it any other ways? I don't. Brendan? No. Brandon. Yes, it's confusing because the A is pronounced like an Stress on the first syllable. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Brendan. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.